My sister got me a Nutella waffle. Nom, 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 nom. Hi! Tapos, may mga palengke stuff dito. Nagpabili lang ako ng palengke. Mag-haul tayo in a bit. I'm letting my sister try out this dessert from Earth Kitchen. Ano siya? Earth Desserts. Ano siya? Vegan brownie. Galing sa event kahapon, guys. Grabe, sobrang chewy niya. I love it. Hindi ko na vlog eh, pero naubos ko na isa niyan. Perfect. Yum, yum, yum. And we're also using the CDR King, parang ano siya, USB Chuvanes. 480 pesos. Bongga siya. I love it. Mark sent me a photo, guys. Ang cute sobra. He knows me too well. Look at that. Cutie! Ano siya, baby kitten na nagdedede sa nanay. Oo nga, parang alaki nilang kitten. Bakit tumadede pa? No? Tingnan mo, Alsa. Magkasize sila. Cute. Welcome back to another vlog, guys. So, kakatapos ko lang mag-shower. We're gonna go to SM Manila in a bit. I did like a lot of work this morning. Sobrang dami kong inasikaso and all. Tapos, ano ginawa ko? Ayun, nag-work lang ako. Kaya, ayun. My sister's still here. Bothering me. What a bitch. So, we're gonna go have dinner. Right? Last night pala, guys, I ordered like white sneakers. Diba sobrang uso yon? Pero I don't want to purchase yung sobrang mga mahal talaga ng chuba-chuba. Kaya sabi ko, naghanap ako online. Sa Instagram, ang dami-dami mga ganun, grabe. So, ang nabili ko is called Gina Sneakers. Gina Sneakers. Gina Sneakers. Tapos medyo may black siya sa likod. I'm gonna flash a photo over here. Not sponsored. Nagbayad ako, girl. So, I'll just put the link of it in the information box para makita niya. So, if ever gusto niya rin bumili ng ganon, diba, bongga, twinsies tayo. So, I just wanna bring it to Bohol. Kasi sabi ko, bagay siya sa, bagay sa dress, bagay sa mga, mga normal na suot. Kaya, sobrang ganda. Sobrang okay siya. So, yan. Suklay nga ako. Hindi pa nagsuklay. By the way, my hair fall stopped na. Nawala na. Ever since binalik ko yung meat sa diet ko, hindi na nag-hair fall. Okay na agad. Bongga. I miss this, guys. Hot Star. Ang tagal kong di kumain na to. 2 weeks. With my sister pa rin. I got new shoes, guys. I like it. For the beach. Tsaka wala. Parang bago naman. And then this one. Cute siya. Sandals. Cute, no? I like it. Ay, sorry. Yeah, bongga. Now back in the apartment, guys. I just went to the house kasi one of our dogs, sobrang nanghihina na siya. So, I don't know what's up with her. Yung isang mata niya, parang nag-roll sa taas. And when I searched online, parang seizure yata. It's a sign of seizure. Tapos, tinignan ko siya. Kasi nung isang araw, kakaligo lang niya. Okay naman siya. Tapos ngayon, she's very parang lethargic. As in, super parang, ay, nako, nakakaloka. Sometimes, I wish I didn't have too much feelings. Or too much heart. Kasi parang, di ba, sobrang ano ko sa mga dogs talaga. I love dogs. I don't know. Maybe I was a dog before. Pero, I have too much feelings for animals, for dogs. In particular. Nakakaawa lang tingnan si baby kanina. Parang gusto kong umiyak. It's really sad. But, they have lived a full life. Like, 11 years old na yata siya. 11, 12, mga ganon. I actually remember my dog Princess. If you remember my dog Princess, it was like with just a snap of a finger, her health went to 100 to like, 40%. Parang ganun yung yung aging process. So, grabe. Parang biglaan. Ang bilis talaga sobra. And the dog I'm talking about, si Baby, close kay mama yun eh. Tapos, never siya nabuntis. Yun, never siya nabuntis. And kapatid niya si Hekwick. So, yeah, I'm just really sad. Ay, nako, ang hirap mag-aaso. So, all the dog lovers out there, I know, you know how I feel. Ang sakit nun, ilang aso pa namin. 7 pa kasi yung dogs namin. So, 7 heartaches and a million tears pa yon. Kaya, ay nako. Anyway, today was a really productive day for me. Kaya, medyo walang vlog. But yeah, I got a few stuff. Medyo nag-guilty nga ako na nag-shopping pa ako. Pero, alam mo yun, pinaghirapan naman ako lang yan. Ang hirap kumita ng pera, pero ang bilis gumastos. Nakakaloka, no? But yeah, I just really wanted to buy some stuff. Hindi naman madami to, pero ipakita ko sa inyo. Yung shoes natin na kanina. I love it. Montago Bay. Something. Ang cute niya, no? Cute siya, actually. For Bohol lang naman yan. Tapos yung heels, I actually like the heels kasi hindi lang siya magagamit lang once lang. Magagamit mo siya forever. Yan. Cute naman. And then from the supermarket. Yeah, supermarket. Bumili akong tissue. Gusto yung tissue? Tissue. And then garbage bag lang yan. This one I got from Coco Cabana, which is my favorite resort wear ever. Let me just put you down para makita nyo. I'll put you over her. Okay? Okay, ipakita ko. It's super cute. I love it. And it's my style. Yan. Cute, no? V-neck siya na long sleeves. So, ayan. Super cute. You can see it pa ng bongga, pero I'll wear it sa Bohol para makita niyo yung I need to finish up more work for tonight, and then tomorrow I have to film the Ask Say video na kasi next week we'll be leaving. Kaya kailangan na yun. Mabilis lang naman yung 3 days lang naman. We'll be back in Manila in 3 days time din. So, okay din yun. By the way, guys, I have an extra bat na for my Canon G7X. And I got this from Hidalgo sa Avenue where I got my lighting from. 2,000 pesos. Ang mahal, no? Grabe. It's from the brand SDV. Yan. Mahal, pero kailangan. So, kailangan. Gusto ko rin pala mag-shoutout kay Anne. Hi, Anne! Si Anne Cruz. Magka-chat kami kanina kasi sabi niya, nagagandahan siya sa quality ng camera. And I told her na good investment ng G7X kasi nga sobrang bongga. And you can adjust the ISO, parang bright, parang very fresh lagi. Yun, sabi ko siya good investment and I think she will really love it. Kasi pati yung mga pictures, siya, SLR quality. Alam mo, bad hair day ako ngayon. Tikwas-tikwas. Yung tikwas, pero parang masabog-sabog yung hair ko. Guys, I'm currently shopping at Althea. This is a new site coming to the Philippines very soon. So this is the site link. I'll have it down in the information box. And I really love shopping on here because kunwari ito yung product na to, diba? Etude House Bling Bling Eye Stick. And then different shades yan. And then you just scroll down. Tapos makikita mo lahat ng mga dito, lahat ng mga shades. So, hindi ka mahihirapan pumili since meron na siyang mga swatch. Tapos, andyan yung mga shade names. Sobrang bongga, diba? Yan. So, I'm just looking at different makeup and skincare. And just basically trying the site out because wala lang. Ang saya niya. Ang saya. And I think this is a really good site to try out because if you can see over here, yung promise nila, free shipping, as in straight from Korea siya mag-ship. Tapos lahat yan, for sure, authentic talaga. I can vouch for that. Best price, meaning yung mga price niya is walang masyadong malaking patong. Tapos ito ang pinaka-okay for me talaga, guys, because 30-day shopping refund. So, kahit anong yan, kunwari na-open mo na tapos hindi mo nagustuhan, pwede mo siyang ibalik. Or I mean, pwede mo siyang i-refund. Kaya siyang i-refund. So, no questions asked yan. So, that is probably the best thing about Althea, Korea. And I'm really, really happy about that. Tapos yun, I'm just checking out kung ano mga pwedeng itry. Actually, I already filled up my basket. Nasaan na ba yung basket ko dito? Yan, my cart. I already filled it up. And let me show you guys kung ano na yung mga nabili ko. So, I'm gonna do a haul video on this pag natanggap ko na siya. And very seamless naman yung shopping, nila, yung shopping delivery nila. Anyway, yeah, I have the white pore mask. Different mask ang tinry ko. Parang bongga kasi itong mga to eh. Tapos, basically, mga mask talaga. As in, sabi ko, bonggang-bongga. Meron sila yung mga animal mask, guys. Yung parang panda. Yung mukhang panda pag sinuot mong face mask. So, I'm gonna try those out. Of course, kailangan ko ng mga eye cream, yung mga remover, makeup remover, and stuff like that. So, yeah, I'm gonna let you guys know how my shopping goes because this is really awesome talaga. Directly from Korea for orders above 1.5. Althea Korea actually sent over like a sample package straight from Korea. And I'm so happy kasi hindi siya dumaan ng post office. And that's really good because I don't want receiving package from the post office kasi ngayon tax. and all of that hassle. So, straight to your doorstep sila nagde-deliver, and I'm really, really happy about that. I actually posted like an unboxing on my Instagram. I'll have the photo over here or just the link down in the information box. So, yun lang guys. I'm just really having fun. This is like, you know, a new shopping site that beauty lovers should really check out because super awesome yung mga terms nila. Doon talaga ako nakuha talaga ako dun yung 30-day return. Super bongga, diba? Tapos babalik talaga yung pera mo. Galing! So, yeah. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye!